Hey everyone, welcome to Freebird's General Contracting 60 Days 60 Video Challenge. My topic is clean energy. Today we're diving into the basics of clean energy. So what exactly is clean energy? Clean energy, also known as renewable energy, comes from natural sources that are constantly replenished. Think solar, wind and hydropower. Also thermal heating. Solar energy harnesses the power of the sun. You've probably seen solar panels on rooftops. They capture sunlight and convert it into electricity. It's one of the most accessible forms of clean energy. Next up, wind energy. Those giant wind turbines you see in open fields, they're catching the wind and turning it into electricity. Wind energy is super effective in areas with strong, consistent winds. And then there's hydro energy, which uses the power of moving water. Think of large dams or flowing rivers that generate electricity. It's been around for ages and remains a reliable clean energy source. So why is clean energy important? First, it reduces our reliance on fossil fuels like coal and oil, which are limited and polluting. Second, it helps combat climate change by reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Plus, clean energy sources are sustainable, ensuring we have power for generations to come. If you're just starting your journey into clean energy, remember, every little bit helps. Even small changes like using solar-powered gadgets or supporting wind energy projects can make a difference. So there you have it, a quick rundown on clean energy. If you found this helpful and want to learn more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching and see you next time.